Bonjour tout le monde! Hello everybody! Salut! Hi! Bienvenue! Welcome to French with Mr. Innes! Ça va? Ça va très bien? Ça va bien? Comme si comme ça? Ça va mal? Oh, ça va très mal. Moi, ça va très bien parce que il fait beau! Bienvenue to another challenge video where I set you guys a challenge based off one or two of the videos we've covered in 40 days of French basics. Today's video is a body song challenge based off two of the videos we've done so far. In French body parts, we learnt tête, épaules, genoux, et pieds. And in French parts of the face, we learnt les yeux, les oreilles, la bouche, et le nez. And you can find links to those videos in the description below. So in today's video, I'm going to challenge you guys to perform head, shoulders, knees and toes in French. It could look something like this.
Tête, épaules, genoux et pieds, genoux et pieds. Tête, épaules, genoux et pieds, genoux et pieds. Les yeux, les oreilles, la bouche, le nez. Tête, épaules, genoux et pieds, genoux et pieds.
Feel free to take a video of yourself performing tête, épaules, genoux et pieds, and with an adult's help and permission, you can tweet it to the hashtag French with Mr. Innes, and I'll do my best to get back to you from my account at French Mr. Innes. So bonne chance, good luck, and I cannot wait to see some of your videos. But for now, à bientôt, and au revoir!